And we own. Oh yeah. Welcome to Over the Counter Crypto. We are your host, Eric. Lalo. Alright. So we've been gone for a month. We gotta trying to do a little bit of a setup. Readjust. Try to make the content better, but it's gonna take a while. Alright, so let's start off with what we always do with the Bitcoin halving clock. You guys have 191 days, 3 hours, 4 minutes, and 15 seconds. Time is almost there, you guys. What's this? I don't care about that. All right. Crypto Fear and Greed Index. So we are neutral. So I would thought we would be at greedy, since we went up pretty good, but we're neutral, so we don't know whether to buy or whether to sell. So I saw this one YouTuber was saying that to expect Bitcoin to go over 28K here in a couple of days or weeks. So this is what I'm seeing in the charts. Okay. So this is what I am seeing. I know it's a mess. Let me stretch it out a little bit. So I am in the weekly time frame. So I'm grabbing the Fibonacci, right, from the highest point to the lowest point, and it ends right here in this area, which is around $29,000. This is gonna be our heavy resistance. So right now we're close to 28,000. So we could expect another $1,000 from there. And if we can't pass 28,000, we could expect it to drop probably back to 25,000 again. So that's in the weekly time frame. So if I go back to the daily, hold on, let me go back to the weekly. If I use this indicator, where's that indicator? So this indicator is predicting Bitcoin's gonna drop to $12,000. So you know how I've been predicting 12K for a while? This thing is predicting $12,000 on like a very long time frame. But in the short term, like let me go to the daily, it is predicting that it's gonna go, let me see, it's gonna go to 29,000 is the first one, and then the second one is gonna be 31. So it's telling us take profits at 29,000, and then if we go past that, it's telling us to take profits at 31. And the worst case scenario, it's gonna go down to 22,000. That's the worst case scenario in like the shorter time frame. This is the daily. And then in the 4 hour time frame, it's telling us to take profits at 28,000. It's telling us take profits. So I would take profit, like 28,500. And then the worst case scenario, it might drop to 26,000 in like in the hourly time frame, according to this indicator. So yeah, it's gonna be real hard to get over 29,000. It's gonna be really hard. 29, 30,000 is gonna be extremely hard to get over that and stay up there. They usually say as long as you stay over a week, you're usually good. But I don't know. So here's from June to August. That was what, like 3 months? And we crashed back down.
It was pretty bad, yeah.
Yeah, they call this the BART.
Oh, okay, I see it.
The BART indicator or the
I see
BART
it.
pattern, where you just
see
shoot straight up, you stay there for a while, and you shoot back down.
That's that's creative.
All right. So yeah, let me close that out. I have a couple of things, like three articles that I thought were interesting. So we got this backed finance tokenized treasury bonds ETF on Coinbase. So I thought this one was pretty cool. So where Coinbase, they're trying to tokenize U.S. debt, U.S. bonds. So I thought that was pretty interesting. Because you know how the U.S. is like, a lot of the U.S. is very anti-crypto, and now Coinbase wants to tokenize U.S. debt.
Yeah,
It's funny. So like you're able to buy debt, so you could charge the U.S. interest.
You'll probably end up paying the taxes anyway.
So, and then I think you sent me this a while ago. That Chase is being anti-crypto. UK government urged to review Chase Bank's policy to decline crypto payments. Oh, okay. Yeah, because I guess Chase is being anti-crypto right now. I think they're gonna close your accounts or something like that. I haven't really read it.
Yeah. Well, this is UK though, right? I mean, this is not the US. This is UK government.
So.
See, but yeah, that is a little weird though, because it says, what does it say? It was Chase.
Yeah, Chase Bank.
But right now you can buy crypto on, like, Chase and PayPal.
Yeah, it's weird. They're just being stupid. So what's this that you sent me? The Cardano thing is gonna be bigger than Bitcoin and Ethereum. Well, Charles Hoskinson was saying that his competition isn't Ethereum. He says his competition is Google. He wants to beat Google. And if they end up being successful, that would mean that each Cardano coin is gonna be worth minimum $45 a coin. Cardano. Right now, Cardano's like a quarter. $45. And I imagine $45.
Nah, yeah, that's a pretty big increase.
So let me see. Let me bring out my calculator. So it's 45 divided by 0.25. That is 180x.
Yeah, that's fucking giant.
So yeah, that's good ass money. And on top of that, you could stake it, which means that you get paid in Cardano for helping secure the Cardano network.
Fire.
What else did you send me? How to actually own your home?
Oh, that was the...
Oh, yeah. I seen that one.
Yeah, but we could do that one another day. That requires an actual explanation.
Did you see? Oh, I know Salvador started their own volcano mining stuff. They started mining Bitcoin with volcano energy, or whatever the, I don't know how you say it in English, the azufre stuff. The hydro something.
Damn, yeah, I don't know that. Oh, that was, you can skip that one if you want to.
Mexican billionaire says he only holds Bitcoin. Really? Bitcoin, MicroStrategy, Bitcoin miners, oil companies, and gold miners in his portfolio. How do I put the volume up on this thing? Well, he says it there. That's pretty good though. Oh, I'm not even showing it. Oops. Yeah, so pretty much he owns. That's crazy though. Like
That he owns.
that he owns like all of this stuff. Yeah. Are you gonna buy silver though?
Man,
It looks cool.
it looks cool, but we've been over that like so many times to say.
It actually dropped down in price. It's like $21 now an ounce.
I mean, it's even worse for people who've had it long term.
Yeah. I've had it for 3 years and it's just been going down. I'm like, why? Why silver?
Now imagine the people that's had it longer. So
Yeah.
like they said it was gonna like blow up like gold. So
Yeah. Oh, they're okay. So PayPal is turning Bitcoin into the global payment network.
trying to, yeah, former PayPal president.
I kind of want to listen to this one, but I don't know if it's if you could hear it.
I can't hear it, but you can hear it on stream.
But it's because I could barely hear it on my earphones.
Oh shit. Yeah, no se escucha en el stream.
How about now?
Very low.
That's very low.
Yeah.
I need to fix that. I guess we'll skip it. It's just he's a clown. It's pretty what that is. It's just he's just a clown.
Yeah, that dude's a fuck. Or the random news.
Oh, and then aliens. Do they actually show the aliens?
Yeah, dude, they actually show the body. You know, and on Twitter they were like, "Oh, it's fake.
It's fake."
It's fake. Like, come on. Like, do you have to get? Does it have to be the U.S. to come out and say, "Oh, we have aliens," and then you're gonna believe it?
Are they like mummified or what?
Yeah, I think he said they were like oldest. Like they were really, really old.
And where did they find them?
Creo que Peru. I think he said something in Peru.
That's
And
trippy.
Yeah, and then I'm like, how the hell did y'all even get this?
That's trippy, dude.
And they even showed X-rays.
Uh-huh. Oh, did they?
Just to say that it wasn't like fake and stuff like that. They don't show it here, obviously, but they do show X-rays.
So what is this? Absolute kicked effects for any group in the country. New Oregon law removes reading, writing, and math requirements to help students of color. What?
Yeah, I'm a person of color, and I don't think that's a good thing.
What?
But, yeah, it's a little ridiculous.
I guess. All right. Moving on. Larry Fink calls Bitcoin an index of money laundering. But wasn't he just saying that to buy Bitcoin? Like he's buying Bitcoin in the background.
Yeah.
So it's like, watch what they do, not what they say.
Yep. Oh, you're going way.
Am I?
Up.
Let me.
You're in August.
Damn. Okay. And then we got what, gold? Senator Mendes accepts bribes and gold bars worth up to $400,000 in exchange for help with criminal case federal prosecution claims. What? What is this about? He's just accepting bribes?
in gold.
Why in gold? Why not in dollars?
Exactly. Exactly.
So SBM's mom encourages him to avoid disclosing several illegal political donations using stolen customer funds.
Dude, this guy, it doesn't end with him. It doesn't end with him.
And his parents, supposedly, like the parents were like the masterminds of this.
That's messed up. So they just used him like
They just using them, yeah. Like the parents are yeah. 95% of the NFT market is now worthless. Man, I hope Star Atlas is not part of that 95%.
I agree, but I mean, when we talked about NFTs, in the past streams, I always said I don't like NFTs. I feel like they're useless.
Yeah. That's pretty much how they started, was with the whole art and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But I believe they're gonna be useful once they use other implementation, because it's pretty much, you got the code, which is proof of ownership. So once we could use NFTs to prove that this is your house title, to prove that this is your car title, to prove this is your, I guess, your ID or your credit card or whatever it is, it's proof of ownership, is where NFTs are very valuable. Like there's all this JPEG stuff is, like you said, useless.
Yeah, you know what I think would be cool? I guess if they make NFTs into like video games or movies, where they use the same concept, because right now we have the thing where it's like okay, if they have a game and a movie, if the company just says, you know what, none of y'all own that shit no more, I'm taking it back, and you can't do nothing about it.
Yeah.
But if they do turn into NFTs and you own them and you have that code, they can't take it away from you.
Yeah.
They can't take away the games. It doesn't matter. It's more an incentive to actually own an NFT if they're video games and you own them, and the company can't take them away from you. Because at this point, the company can't take away anything that you own digitally, whether it's movies or music, whatever it is. You don't really own it.
Yeah, so that's what I like about NFTs, but like they said, 95% of them are worthless because 95% of them are just JPEGs and just art,
Yeah, it can be stolen. It can be.
Yeah, especially now with this AI stuff. Yeah. We should start something like that. Do some AI generated stuff, and then sell it, and then just have 10,000 of them. Limited stuff.
I'm about to say, bro, I'm gonna ask AI to write a fucking 10-minute script and just read off of that shit.
So what's this? What's really crazy is everyone thinks crypto is dead. Everyone is laughing at those buying and still talking crypto, but there's another bull market coming. It's going to be epic and life-changing. People will FOMO in. Those that stuck around will be rewarded. I can't wait. Yeah. We have 191 days.
Oh, okay, so you're implementing this with the Bitcoin then.
With the Bitcoin halving.
I sent this one and I was like, okay, let's see how much Bitcoin changes from then to now. So,
yeah. But thing is, this is the first time that what do you call it? The whole market is down, like the stock market. I think bonds, crypto, everything is just tanking. So this is like the first time in the crypto history where everything tanks. So we don't know if the Bitcoin halving is going to save us, because there's no money. Like, where are you gonna get the money if people are struggling? The economy isn't there, so there isn't money for these assets to come back up again. But then again, like, people are gonna be thirsty, like countries and all these organizations are gonna be thirsty for Bitcoin, because it's gonna be harder to mine Bitcoin. There's gonna be less supply, and then there's gonna be more demand because all these countries and all these organizations are gonna want to buy it. So it's this time it's gonna be different. It's gonna be interesting. So we'll see. We'll see. Oh yeah, here's the thing that you were talking about. The Chase Bank bans Bitcoin.
Policy exchange. What the heck? See, I don't understand this though. That is so dumb because you have the Chase is banning crypto, and then you have a Chase owned, which is like what by PayPal, right?
Is it?
PayPal is owned by Chase,
I don't know.
or one of the two.
I know the CEO or those guys are buying Bitcoin.
Yeah, one of the two is either Chase owns PayPal or PayPal owns Bitcoin. Whatever. The point is that you can buy crypto on PayPal using a bank, Chase. So it doesn't matter. You can have your card in there, use Chase Bank, and then you can still buy crypto. So I don't understand. I guess just using it from like the application of Chase, you can't buy it. But I think it's stupid.
So let's see. It says to help keep your money safe from fraud and scams, we're changing the type of payments you make from Chase from 16th of October 2023. So it hasn't started yet. If we think you're making a payment related to crypto assets, we will decline it. If you'd still like to invest in crypto assets, you can try using a different bank or provider instead. But please be cautious, as you can not be able to get the money back if payments end up being related to fraud or scams. So for those of you that want to buy crypto or Bitcoin in this, you could do Coinbase has a program where you could get direct deposit, so you could get paid in Bitcoin directly from your job. You could put like 10% of your paycheck to get paid in Bitcoin using Coinbase, so you don't have to go through banks. That's what I currently do. I have a direct deposit, and you don't get charged fees in Coinbase. So that's pretty neat for Coinbase. So I would recommend you guys do that, and don't connect anything with Chase.
Yep. Well, we're gonna see next week. I guess we'll have an update. We'll have an update on that next week. I do have some Bitcoin on PayPal, so we'll see if it disappears next week. I guess I'll let you guys know.
I think it's when you try to cash out using Chase.
If I can still buy, either way, I'll put a report on that.
So we'll see. Yeah, this one was interesting. What's the time? We're at 22. Wanna just wrap it up?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, let's do the.
We can wrap it up with the portfolios.
Yeah, we haven't checked them for over a month.
Exactly 1 month actually.
Okay, let's see. You are at 1,700. Where were you at last time?
Bruh.
Do you remember?
I do not remember.
Didn't we break the 2,000 mark or no?
Nah, hell no.
We didn't?
No. Maybe you. I think you had like only Bitcoin. Yeah, you had.
No, because I had Solana.
Solana actually is green. What the?
No, Bitcoin's green.
Oh no, you're right. Yeah, you're right.
No,
but I mean, it's at plus.
Oh, I'm plus
22.
I'm plus $22. 22%. The graph, I'm at negative 12%.
I mean, I remember the graph last time I had you. You had it green.
Yeah.
You were green with that.
And what do you have?
Bruh, I only have one fucking green thing.
Oh, Cardano, which is Bitcoin. You've lost your ass off on Polkadot, on Litecoin, on Cardano, Pepe. 60% loss on Pepe.
God, bro. I don't even remember how much I put in that garbage.
I think $20.
Fuck.
Yeah, you're like at $5 right now.
That's like 2 Big Macs.
Yeah, you lost your ass off on Pepe.
Shit, Pepe, man.
Cardano. Yeah, you've lost a lot on Litecoin and Polkadot. So what, you're sticking with Bitcoin, I'm assuming?
Yeah, because fucking, what is it? Litecoin lost me, what, 42%?
Yeah. Litecoin is $65.
God.
And supposedly Cardano wanted to work with Litecoin.
And they're both ass, right? Well, for me, right, in my portfolio.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna do Bitcoin too. 70 on Bitcoin.
Yeah, just Bitcoin. in a way.
So, alright, you guys. So that's it for today. We're trying to keep it short, under 20 minutes. We're over 5 minutes. So,
25, exactly 25.
so alright, you guys.
Have a good night. See
Bye.
you guys next